In a cold corner of the city, under a broken rooftop, lived a tiny gray bird. Winter had arrived early that year. The wind was harsh, the trees were empty, the ground hard and silent. The little bird had two tiny chicks waiting in the nest. Their small mouths opened every time she returned, hoping for food. "Just wait," she chirped softly. "I'll bring something." That day she flew far, searching near the market. Nothing. She searched near the park. Only dry leaves. She searched near the frozen river, the water frozen solid. Her wings grew tired, but she didn't stop. By evening, she finally found a small crumb of bread on the roadside. It wasn't much, but it was something. She held it tightly in her beak and flew back, hope beating inside her tiny chest. But the wind grew stronger. A sudden storm rose. Her small wings fought hard, but the cold air was merciless. When she finally reached the broken rooftop, the nest was quiet. Too quiet. The crumb of bread fell from her beak. She had searched all day. But sometimes, love is not enough to fight the cold world.